All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you all my Claude Code setup here. So the way I got going on here is I have a manager. I call it a coordinator agent, right? And I got 3 worker agents. So the coordinator agent is prompted to just focus on task delegation and coordinating and making sure everything's saved and pushed to GitHub correctly, right? And the workers are just prompted just to work, just to take the task only from the coordinator. Don't bug me. Go to the coordinator, get the task, complete it, and when they finish, they have to go back and tell the coordinator, "Hey, I'm done. Give me something else to do." Right. So basically, the coordinator is set up on a loop, and also to join into this mix is also have a Claude COWORK session agent that's doing research. Okay, so I have a research agent that's part of the COWORK session. Then I got a coordinator or a manager, whatever you want to call it, and then 3 workers. Right. So the way this works is on Claude Code. These agents can message each other. If you look right here, here's a message right here. This is the coordinator and it's messaging worker number 2, right? So telling it, basically, hey, get this done. What problems are you having? Check this, did this pass? Basically seeing where it's at, right? And all of this is on loop. So what you want to do is you want to put it on auto accept. So basically, you don't need to sit there and approve everything. And that's the thing. You want to use GitHub. So I'm using a GitHub repo. So they're pushing everything to a branch. Every worker has its own branch, right? And then the coordinator, he's the only one that pushes to main. So he takes the branches and everything and pushes it to main, right? Now, I have everything on auto. You want it that way because if not, you would never get nothing done. But if they mess up, is GitHub. So it's a version control platform, so basically everything is version controlled. So if something gets corrupted or broken, you go back and revert back to a later version, right? Makes things easier. But anyways, so they can message each other. The problem is the research agent can't message the code, right? So what I did was I made a message board, which is just a text file on my computer, and I called it research to strategy, right? So I made a research agent and basically did a loop prompt. It does research, and then every 30 minutes it has to go read the board, leave a message, say, "Hey, this is where I'm at," and it leaves a message, ask the coordinator where he's at, and the coordinator does the same thing. There's a loop for the coordinator. So the coordinator every 30 minutes basically evaluates the whole situation, seeing what's done, what's not done, what problems they're having. Uh, Basically, when they experiment or run tests, what they're developing, they're going to run the problems, right? So it talks back to the researcher. Hey, is what we're doing. The researcher does more research and helps them find a solution, and it just keeps the thing going, right? So this is working out pretty good. I just wanted to show y'all my setup. I thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to show somebody. But anyways, here I am. But yeah, check it out. I'll talk to y'all later.